Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the symbols, numbers and colors. Let's get started. This is number 0 and this is blue. This is number 1 and this is red. This is the number 2. This is yellow. And this is the number 3. And this is purple. This is number 4. And this is green. This is number 5. And this is purple. This is number 6. And this is yellow. This is number 7. This is white. This is blue. This is number 8. This is red. This is number 9 and this is green. Now we have done the numbers. Let's learn the symbols. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the equal sign. Bye friends!